Scotiabank Giller Prize is Vincent Lam.
Last year, on November 7th, Vincent Lam was awarded the Giller Prize for his critically acclaimed bloodletting and miraculous cures. He's the youngest winner in Giller history.
It was sort of like watching myself. It really felt, from the moment my name was announced by Jack Grziniewicz as the winner of this prize, to me this is an absolutely amazing thing for Canadian books. I'm astounded and in many ways overcome.
A week after the Giller win, sales for Lam's books shot up 464%, and his book remained on the Canadian bestseller list for 7 months.
You know, when I'm in the U.S., people in the industry in the U.S. are aware of the existence of the Giller phenomenon, and lots of people who are in the industry, booksellers and publishers, are in a way kind of envious from an American to Canadian perspective.
The book continues its rise with a television series in the works and a U.S. distribution deal with Weinstein Books. Lam gives credit to the Giller.
The TV coverage, the buzz that's generated around the Giller season is immense, and I'm sure it's great for whoever wins the prize, and it's also fantastic for everyone who's shortlisted and longlisted, and it's just really good for Canadian books in general.
Coming up after our final break of the night, we'll find out who wins the most prestigious